Welcome to our family's kitchen. Today we're talking chicken in the kitchen. Everybody likes chicken breast and chicken wings and legs, even those nuggets and strips. But most people ignore what is possibly the most flavorful part, the thighs. So today in the kitchen, we are going to cook up this most tender part of the chicken. We hope you enjoy it. By the way, my sisters chose beer to go with this dish. As for my brother-in-laws, one of them says he's a leg man. The other one says he prefers breasts. I'm gonna tell you, I can't wait till they check out my thighs. I hope you enjoy them as much as they will. Until next time, thanks for joining us, and na zdrowie.